For those who are part of chlor-alkali industry for a long period of time, people have seen the evolution on electrolyzer front from monopolars to bipolars to zero gap, and every few years we are seeing the technology providers coming up with some additional feature which helps in either improving safety features or reliability features or improved maintenance practices or removing bottlenecks related to current efficiency and voltage level. So during this conference, there was so many insightful presentations wherein we saw Generation 7 introduction and launch by Grasim Industries. We saw how successful 9060 membranes by AGC is working, and we also saw how companies are coming up with innovative solutions for brine purification, etc. So it is very heartening as a user to see our supplier ecosystem to continuously push for innovation and technology and adoption for it to achieve the larger objectives of industry for lower cost, high productivity operating scenario. So today we see sustainability is not just a buzzword. Sustainability, practically every company has adopted sustainability as part of its strategy. And as chlor-alkali industry, if we talk about, it starts from power. We know that 60% of the cost of chlor-alkali is power. And most of us as players in this industry have actually betted hugely on renewable power, solar, wind, battery, storage systems, etc. As Grasim, we operate one of our sites almost uses 80% of its power as green power. Besides this, there are elements of circularity. So, how do we reduce hazardous waste generation, and how do we ensure that the element leading to hazardous waste reduce and make it non-hazardous, and reduce landfill as well as zero liquid discharge. And I think most of the units are now, if they are already not going for zero liquid discharge. And as we are giving confidence to our customers that the products that we are buying are, if not better, they are at least meeting the standards which any, for example, European or American company is providing them in terms of lower carbon footprints. AMI provided such a wide canvas talking about economy, strategy, customers, suppliers, and industry players. I think the biggest takeaway for me is the potential of India as a country. So India continues to remain one of the most relevant players in the world. We continue to actually become much more relevant player in the years to come. And the investments which industry is already planning, they are ongoing, and what I believe are already on the drawing board will keep the excitement alive for next 5 to 7 years as we see it. And thankfully the demand on caustic side is also there, and on chlorine sides, various chlorine molecules we are importing as a country. We will more and more see the substitution of these chlorine molecules through these investments which are happening and which are going to happen in the future. So this participating in this conference and this conference as a whole actually gave a whole lot more confidence about relevance and increasing importance of chlor-alkali industry in the years to come.